So all of us are used to using a pillow now. Some people need a double pillow, and some people need a very thin pillow because of their neck pain, etc. But naturally, is using a pillow recommended? Is it good for us?
No, pillows are being used, uh, many thousands of years
Mm-hmm.
to facilitate your breathing while sleeping.
Okay.
As you lie down flat,
Hmm.
uh, we've been always practiced ourselves to keep something for our head, something
Correct.
soft, yeah, whatever.
Correct.
So yeah, so those days people used to, sleep on the floor with a mat. They never used to make use mattresses. At that time, they always lift the head by few inches by keeping a cotton filled bag or whatever, which you call it as
Right.
pillows now in your English
Pillows.
word.
Right.
Okay, so when we lie down, generally the after the neck, the muscle part of the back is makes your body goes higher in length. You know, it makes it higher, and then the head tends to go down below that. So what happens is your air pipe tends to bend the other way.
Uh-huh.
So it makes your makes when people don't have anything, when they go and lie down somewhere in a temple or anything, they keep their hand onto their head to lift the
And
head, yeah,
right,
yeah,
right.
as a support.
Hmm.
This is basically because your head has to be above your back muscles so that the air pipe comes straight.
Uh-huh.
So it is easier for you to
Okay.
have a normal breathing. When you come to the question of
Hmm.
these bronchitis patients, asthmatic patients and all that,
Mm-hmm.
they find it very
Hmm.
difficult to breathe when they lie down, irrespective of having one pillow. So those who have
Right.
nasal blocks, those who have sinusitis problem, they all get
Hmm.
nasal blocks and all that stuff, which they put some
Correct.
sprays or some drops and clear the nasal every few hours once. Those people
Hmm.
who practice themselves to put two pillows because they want the
Hmm.
head to be more higher than the body.
Okay. So that the
That is
breathing
to
is easier.
sophisticate yourself for better breathing. If you are going to be struggle for breathing with respect to the sinusitis or these asthmatic characters who are suffering from
Hmm.
asthma, and then people who have high levels of eosinophilia, which gives you a lot of inflammatory part of the air pipe and the lung pockets filled with fluids and all that, they're going to find it
Hmm.
difficult to breathe. So they practice
Right.
themselves to put two pillows to put the head on the higher side, more higher than
Hmm.
the body level, so that they feel comfortable to some levels of
Right.
breathing. If you're going to struggle for breathing, if you're going to be having discomfort in breathing, which that kind of scenario will not allow you to sleep.
True.
So what do I do to sleep, to keep myself breathing calm, to keep my breathing going? So I have to raise my pillow, one on top of another, two pillows or something. And if you see, there are people who having a lot of problem with breathing. They have this reclined bed.
Hmm.
From the hip, the whole body is raised.
Correct. Or slightly raised.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah, that will become a
Right.
easier position for you to breathe. Those two pillows also will not help them. So it
Hmm.
depends on how healthy your respiratory conditions are. If you are a person who are having, what is snoring? Snoring is nothing other than the body wants the normal level breathing. The air pipe try to shrink a little
Hmm.
because of the breathing what we do through the nose has to go through the tubes to the lung, which also has to be exercised, for which you need a lot of physical work. When you are going to be a very soft oriented life after the age of 55, 60, the air pipe is not having much of an exercise, the lung and the heart, because of no physical exercise at all. So what happens is the air pipe tends to shrink. It becomes narrow. So that gives you a problem when you lie down. When you are with your vertical spine and then you are sitting or standing or walking, it supports you. But when you lie down, then the whole breathing changes when you are in a horizontal mode. So this is what you have to understand. So whatever is your age factor, you should have some good amount of physical. See, any function of the body directly impact your cardiovascular system and the respiratory system.
Correct, right, sir.
Anything you do, any function of the body. So when you lie down, everything calms down. At that time, this air pipe, positioning of the air pipe and the condition of the air pipe, shrinking of the air pipe due to age factor and all that, makes you find it difficult to have normal breathing. So this is where the pillows, height level of the head and all comes into play. Okay, this is the answer for your question. Thank you.